VUDU Garage. Here with Elliot, who's been fitting the parts to this customer's BMW M135. So this is a 64 plate with electronic wastegate. We've fitted the following parts.
Cobra DECAT downpipe. We've also fitted a ITG panel filter. We've also fitted a Forge charge pipe. This will be having a VUDU Stage 2 map with a cold start delete. And yeah, other than that, I think that's everything, isn't it?
That's everything got bolted onto the car. So we've run the car up standard. It's done.
It's had the springs and spacers as well.
We've done the VUDU stance kit. So that's the EIBACH 25mm lowering springs, the Pro kit, and the Forge spacers. And so taking a read off the car. We've just run it up standard at the minute. So with the bolt-ons, it's done 312 wheel, which with a 12% correction factor works out about 349 horsepower, and it's done about 330 foot-pounds. So we're just flashing the car back to our VUDU Stage 2 map now, and then we'll get Patrick in, who's going to data log the car, and he'll explain what he's looking for.